Hello, let us solve a question from set having three members. Let me first read the question. In a class of 175 students, 100 are studying maths, 70 are studying physics, and 46 are studying chemistry. Here, let M, P, and C represents students studying math, physics, and chemistry respectively. And also the total students here are 175. Here I have made a Venn diagram where M represents students studying maths, and P represents students studying physics, and C represents students studying chemistry. And the total there are 175 students. Let us again jump into the question. 30 studying mathematics and physics, 28 studying maths and chemistry, and 28 physics and chemistry. Sorry, here it is 23 studying physics and chemistry. Here I've illustrated the information from question in the formula format. So and M intersection P is 30 and M intersection C means student studying both maths and chemistry is 28, both physics and chemistry is 23, and all three subjects, maths, physics and chemistry, it's 18. Now let me first write 18 over here. This part represents the students studying all three subjects. This is the intersection for all three subjects. For maths and physics, students studying both maths and physics is 30. So while representing it in Venn diagram, it is this green part over here which is 30. So to find this portion, it means student studying maths and physics only, we have to subtract the middle part, the intersection for all, from 30. So this on solving gives 12. Similarly, we can do it for students studying both math and chemistry, M intersection C. It's 28. So the green circle, or the green part over here, it represents math intersection chemistry, because this circle over here is 28 and the circle, this C, is a student studying chemistry, and the intersection is the common part. But to find only this section, it means student studying only maths and chemistry, we have to subtract it from the overall portion, overall intersection part, which is 18. So this one subtraction gives 28 minus 18, and this gives 10. So students studying only maths and chemistry is 10. Similarly, we can do it for students studying physics and chemistry, which is 23. So the portion, the students studying only physics and chemistry, we have to subtract students studying physics and chemistry minus the students studying all three subjects to get the students studying only physics and chemistry, which is 5. Also, we are given that there are 100 students studying maths. So the green circle here represents the students studying maths, which is 100. Now, in order to get the students studying only maths, we have to subtract this part from 100 in order to find the student studying only maths, which is the yellow portion over here. Here we have subtracted 12, 18 and 10 from the total 100 in order to get the student studying only maths. This on calculation gives 60. Similarly, we can do it for student studying only physics, which is 70 minus 12 minus 18 minus 5. Since we are here to calculate the green portion, which is the student studying only physics, so we have to subtract 12 minus 18 minus 5 from this whole circle to get this green part. This gives 35. We also know that there are 46 students studying chemistry, so we can find the number of students studying only chemistry. This is the portion that represents students studying only chemistry. So 46 minus 10 minus 18, here I have applied the similar method, which on solving gives 13. Now let us jump into the question, how many students are studying only one subject? So the students studying only one subject is represented by the colored portion here, yellow, green and red, which on total give, let's use the formula here, n only m plus n only p plus n only c, which is 60 plus 35 plus 13. The total gives 103. So here, how many students are studying only one subject is 103. Now, how many students are studying none of the three subjects? It is represented by this dirty part, the black part, which is outside the circle and inside the rectangle. So for this we have to subtract the total of circle, which is the union part, from the total number of students, which is 175. So let us first add these 7 elements, 60, 12, 18, 10, 5, 35 and 13 to find the union part. Adding it gives 153. Now let us subtract 8 from total 175. So here we have subtracted total, which is the universal set represented by the rectangle part area inside the rectangle, from the total physics union chemistry union maths. So 175 minus 153 gives 22.